Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Enabling console commands in Cyberpunk 2077 isn't an official feature, as the game doesn't natively expose a developer console for player use. However, the PC modding community has provided an indispensable tool to bridge this gap: Cyber Engine Tweaks, often referred to as CET. This powerful mod injects a console into the game, allowing you to execute commands, spawn items, manipulate game states, and even debug other mods. To get started, your first step is to download Cyber Engine Tweaks from a reputable source, primarily Nexus Mods. Head over to the Nexus Mods website, search for Cyber Engine Tweaks, and navigate to its mod page. Always ensure you're downloading the latest stable version, as the game receives frequent updates that can sometimes break older mod versions. Once downloaded, you'll have a compressed archive file, usually a.zip or .7z file. The next crucial step is locating your Cyberpunk 2077 installation directory. For Steam users, this is typically found by right-clicking the game in your library, going to Manage, and then Browse Local Files. GOG users can find it via the GOG Galaxy Client's game settings, and Epic Game Store users can locate it through their game library options. Once you've found the main game folder, which is where the Cyberpunk 2077.exe file resides, it's time to install CET. Extract the contents of the downloaded Cyber Engine Tweaks archive directly into this main Cyberpunk 2077 game directory. You should see new files and folders, such as bin and plugins, appear alongside your existing game files. Do not extract it into a subfolder. It needs to be directly in the root of the game installation. After successful extraction, launch Cyberpunk 2077. The first time you launch the game with CET installed, a small window will likely pop up, prompting you to set a hotkey for opening the console overlay. Choose a key that's convenient for you and won't conflict with in-game actions, commonly the tilde key or F4. Once you've set your hotkey, you can press it anytime during gameplay to open the console window. Inside the console, you can type various commands. For instance, Game.SetPlayerHealth 1000 will set your health. Game.GivePlayerMoney 100000 will grant you eddies, and Game.GivePlayerWeapon items.preset_overture 1 will give you Johnny's iconic pistol. There are extensive lists of commands available online, often on the Nexus Mods page itself or dedicated wikis. It's important to exercise caution when using console commands. While they offer immense power and flexibility for enhancing your gameplay experience, they can also potentially cause unintended side effects, corrupt save files, or lead to game instability if used improperly. Always back up your save files before experimenting with commands, especially if you're trying complex or unfamiliar ones. Game updates from CD Projekt Red can also occasionally break compatibility with Cyber Engine Tweaks, requiring you to wait for a CET update before it functions again. Regularly check the mod page for updates. By following these steps, you'll unlock a new layer of control and customization for your Cyberpunk 2077 adventures. Whether you're looking to cheat, debug, or simply experiment with the game's mechanics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Cyberpunk 2077 tips and modding guides.